All right, number 11. Will is unpacking a box of utensils. The total weight of the box of utensils is 4 pounds and it contains 16 forks. What is the weight of each fork? All right, so there are a couple of ways to do this. Remember, bigger to smaller is multiply, smaller to bigger is divide. So we are doing, there is 4 pounds, okay? I'm assuming they want, it doesn't actually say it, but they want the weight in ounces, okay? 4 pounds equals how many ounces? But the real question is, what is the weight of each fork? So I know that 1 pound, or lb, is the equals 16 ounces. Okay? So 4 lb, or pounds, equals how many ounces? That's not actually the question. But we could do this a couple of ways. Okay? So what we can do is we can do 4 pounds. We can convert 4 pounds into ounces. Okay? So we're going from bigger to smaller, so we have to multiply. And what are we multiplying by? 16. I know that 4 times 16 is 64, because I know that 4 times 15 is 60, and then plus another group of 4 would be 64. And then what I have to do is divide that by 16, right? Because it says in the problem that the total weight of the box is 4 pounds and it contains 16 forks. What is the weight of each fork? Okay, so we have 64 divided by 16. And what is 64 divided by 16? Well, we just did 4 times 16 equals 64. So 16 divided by 16 is obviously 4. So the answer would be 4 ounces. And if you wanted to put this in pounds, okay, what we could do is 4 pounds, okay, over 16. And I know that, or it's 4 divided by 16, right? Which then becomes 4 over 16, which then just equals 1/4. Right? Because the division sign is the same as a fraction bar. So 4 divided by 16 would be what we're doing, is the same as 4 over 16. Okay? So 4 over 16 equals 1/4. So each one of these is 1/4 of a pound. And if we want to figure out what 1/4 of a pound is in ounces, we can just multiply 16 times 1/4. Okay? 16 times 1 equals 16. 1 times 4 equals 4. So 16/4 equals 4. Because, as I said, the fraction bar. So the answer is either 4 ounces or 1/4 pound.